Create and sell your own online course without using multiple tools? In this video, I'll show you how to create an online course in System.io step by step. Step 1. Log in to your System.io account and, from the dashboard, click Products/Sales and then Courses. Click Create to start a new course. Step 2. Enter your course name, add a short description, and choose the language. Click Save to create your course. Step 3. Open your new course and click Add Module. Give your module a name such as Introduction or Getting Started, then click Save. Step 4. Inside the module, click Add Lecture. Enter a lecture title and use the editor to add your lesson content, such as text, images, or an embedded video. Repeat this process to add more lessons and modules until your course is complete. Step 5. When you're finished, save your changes. Then connect your course to a sales funnel or checkout page so students can enroll automatically after signing up or making a purchase. And that's it. You've successfully created your first online course in System.io. If you'd like to build, sell, and automate your online business with one platform, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials.